This is Game and Change, back again with another video. This time it's a little bit of a how-to. I see a lot of people typing with 2 fingers and people kind of look at me like I'm a little bit strange or showing off when I type with 1 finger using swipe typing. Now that's just one term used for it. Sometimes people call swipe typing gesture typing or trace typing, scribble typing. Scribble basically is when you can draw over the keyboard. You start with the first letter of the word that you want to write, and then you follow through. I'm going to show you in a Google Docs document how to do it, and I think you'll be able to follow along on your own going forward in text or other writing that you might be doing using your mobile phone keyboard. There are some times when it gets the wrong word for you. Sometimes it will select the wrong word and it's your fault, but sometimes it selects the wrong word and you just have to redo it again. Certain words it might have a hard time with, but for the most part it's very good right now. And when the word is wrong, it's nice when you'll notice at the top of the keyboard there's always 3 other options. I find that most times the 3 other options, one of those options is a good choice, is probably the one you were going to type, the word you were trying to type. You just click that and move along. Another tip that I'd like to mention is after your completed word is on screen, you don't need to actually touch the space bar. You take your finger off the screen and then go back down to begin typing the next word. That will automatically generate a space for you in case you didn't already know. It will automatically put a space for you and capitalize the next letter, the first word of your new sentence. The first word of your new sentence. New sentences.com. This is how I type a website address. If I was using swype, I would type the address like that. I would allow spaces to be there, and then I would go back and take the spaces out. So what else can I share with you regarding the gesture typing method? It can do apostrophes for you. I'll end the sentence there with a period. It's possible to do apostrophes. You just need to follow through with how you're tracing over the keys. Just type all the letters that would normally be there minus the apostrophe. You see? Now you see me having a hard time. I'm trying to type the word type. This will happen sometimes. Don't give up. If you have to, go through and type it the slow way. But no, we want to be modern and we want to be stylish out there, typing like we have some sense, like you're a master of your device. So you just need to, start over with a T and just go slower. Oh, no, don't go too slow. Then it does this. All right, just slow down. Type. Just emphasize. And it will sometimes switch to 2. And just select type. Usually the right word will come if you just slow down and focus on the letter that you start with, the letter that you end with, and all the letters that you were following, that you were tracing over on your way to them. So you just need to type the word I lost my train of thought, but let me do this visualization. And I'm going to put a colon there, spaced down twice. Okay, now what we want to do, I'm just going to show you some common words that have apostrophes. How about there? They're doing good over there. They are doing good over there. How about we're? We're doing great. How about aren't? Aren't you going to bed soon? How about hasn't? Hasn't this or that already occurred? I think that's enough examples. How about that's? That's enough examples. And that's how I type all the time. So there you have it. If you didn't already know how to use gesture typing or swipe typing, now you do, and I hope you enjoy it and get more value out of your mobile device. This has been a Game and Change discussion. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, drop a like. I appreciate all that and I read all of the comments. Take care of yourself. Peace.